Hey guys, so what we have here is a 2025 4Runner Off-Road Premium, and as you can see, the whole car is white with black trim. There is absolutely no chrome on this vehicle except this logo right here. Now, if you want to know a quick, inexpensive upgrade to your vehicle, well, you guessed it, we can just black out that chrome piece so that everything is black trim with white body, and it'll just make it that much more sleek and get it looking pretty nice. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today. Super easy. I'll show you how to put a black emblem on there, and let's just get right into it. So if you look right here, you can order this from Toyota, or if you want, you could just go on Amazon like I did. And Amazon actually has the OEM part, so you could go on Amazon and you can get it shipped to your house in like 2 days. Just type in 4Runner Emblem Matte Black and you could get this shipped to your house in no time at all. So before installation, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clean your previous emblem, get all the dirt and dust off of that and dry it completely. That way the adhesive will stick much better. So this here is just a adhesive piece that goes over your old emblem. You're just gonna match it up, pull the adhesive off. You're just gonna match it up, pull the adhesive off, and place it over your previous logo, and you're good to go. And just make sure you really use your thumb and press down around the whole thing. That way the adhesive is nice and seated properly. Well folks, and there you have it. Just like that. That chrome piece is now matte black. And I gotta say, it's looking a lot better. A lot better. Alright guys, well, thanks for tuning in, and like I said, you can get this on Amazon for a good deal, and it is the official OEM matte black cover piece for your chrome emblem. So take care and God bless. I'll see you guys in the next one.